So I'm just going to show you a technique of adding some slip decoration at the leather hard stage to a thrown piece of work, but you could use this kind of decoration on a hand-built form. So I'm just taking the slip that I've produced from actually throwing, so whatever clay you're working with, and then I'm just going to apply it with my rubber kidney. So I'm just going to pop it all around the pot like so, and because I've left it on the wheel I can kind of work around the pot with the slip like this, and I'm wanting some texture. The idea of this is to create some texture onto the form as decoration, and what you do to it is entirely up to you. You can press things into it, you can use a brush, you can use a palette knife. In this case I'm just using my rubber kidney, and because the pot is leather hard, it is very cold in the studio, hence all the layers. It should stick to the form quite easily like that and start to dry off. If it's too dry, what will happen is this will crack, but again it might be that you like that as a sort of part of the decoration, and just play around and see what kind of marks and textures you like. It's very organic for those of you that like organic shapes and forms. So you can't really predict entirely how it's going to look. So some of you will actually hate that, but for a lot of you it's good fun just to kind of have a play around with the clay. This might take a long time to dry, that's the only thing with it being cold at the moment. So I'm just going to work around the form like that. You can see I'm just building up textures and layers into the surface like so.